welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Xtiles, the pros and the cons. So let's get started. Now this is Xtiles. It says your ideas, your rules. Collaborative workspace that's the way you think. You can get started for free and watch a demo if you want. So now Xtiles is a visual workspace tool designed for note-taking, task management. You can see them here: note-taking, task management, and project organization, often compared to apps like Notion. It utilizes a flexible tile-based interface where you can arrange and connect various types of content. Now, when it comes to the pros, it has visual organization. Its core strength is a drag and drop tile system, making it highly intuitive and effective for visual thinkers, brainstorming and creating custom layouts. Now when it comes, it also has visual friendly interface like we said earlier. It's also flexible. Yes, that's another advantage: flexibility, which allows for various content types within the tiers like text, images, links, charts, and offers customization layout and can be adapted for personal or team use. It also has real-time collaboration, generous free plan, a very generous free plan, and it has dedicated task management, templates, yes, a variety of templates to help you get started quickly with different workflows, and it has cross-platform access because available on web, desktop, that is Mac and Windows, and mobile, iOS and Android, with syncing across devices. Now let's look at the cons. Now when it comes to the cons, it has limited advanced features. While it is good for visual organization and basic tasks, it may lack the depth of advanced database functionalities, complex automation, or extensive integration found in some alternatives. And then it has a mobile app limitation. That's a mobile app limitation. The mobile app is functional for note-taking and viewing, but it's limited compared to desktop or web versions, such as the ability to create new projects. It cannot create new projects or fully utilize the drag and drop layout. Now another con is potential oversimplification. Yes, and then the learning curve for complex setups, and lastly some features are paywalled. Access to more advanced features, premium templates, and higher usage limits requires a paid subscription. So you can get started with free templates. Not sure where to start, find a template to choose from, browse so many. That's a quick review of Xtiles, the pros and the cons. Hope you found this video helpful.